Good morning, 2WR. Here's your online learning schedule for today. Today is Wednesday, February 9th. It is day 6. Here we go. Today we'll be celebrating our Chinese New Year. If you'd like to wear a red shirt or something red, that would be wonderful in celebration of our Chinese New Year, Year of the Ox. So if you know anybody that is in the Year of the Ox, they are people born in the Year of the Ox, are strong, reliable, fair, conscientious, inspiring, confident in others. They are also calm, patient, methodical, and can be trusted. Do you know anybody that's an ox, that's in the Year of the Ox? Here is our small group focus for today. We will be focusing on reading today. We'll be reading in our small groups at your normal times, 10, 10:20, 10:40, and 11 o'clock today. Here is our schedule. So morning 8 a.m. will be your world language Zoom. Then you have 9 a.m. is our morning meeting. We have our small groups at 10. One-on-one meetings start at 11:20. Virtual playground at 12:30. Then today you have music at 2 o'clock today. All right, and here are your seesaw activities. So you have a reading activity, you have math activity, and you have a science activity today. So with your science activity today, this is going to be part 2 of your doing your experiments. Now you're going to be mixing some of the ingredients together. So please, please, please watch the video with Miss Maxwell there. And remember, you're using your little maybe cardboard, or you could put it on a piece of paper, however you want your beans to stick, okay? And then you want to record using this, what's called a bar graph, right? And how many beans are going to stick with that mixture. Okay, so it's really important that we're keeping track of how sticky these ingredients are for later on. So we want to keep track of this in your science notebook and book creator. Make sure to take a screenshot of it. Make sure you have a page each time. I'll talk about this more in our morning meeting today. Here is the handbook that you can be reading about different ingredients and what happens to these ingredients, either when they're mixed together or what are the properties. Remember, the properties mean, like, is it slimy? Is it sticky? Dorothy said yesterday about cornstarch maybe being like oobleck, right? Kind of like that kind of gooey, maybe thicker consistency. So a lot of these words that we want to pay attention to when we're doing our science, okay? And here's our reading. So I can notice, write, and explain comparisons. So we're going to be looking at similes and metaphors today, and how these comparisons help us with our reading, and how authors might use comparisons to make their reading more interesting. Okay, so here's an example: happy as a clam. What does that mean if someone's happy as a clam? Think about that one a little bit. And here we go. So for math, we're going to continue with adding our 4 two-digit numbers and show your thinking. One of these problems, I'm pretty sure it's the second one, that you're going to use your microphone and explain. You don't have to explain on the other two, just with one of them. But you've been doing a wonderful job decomposing, adding your tens together, 10, 10, tens, and then add your ones together, all your ones, and then you combine that together. That's an easy way for us to start adding in our brains, and we can think about what the total is going to be. For example, if I just looked at this one, right, this first example is 39 plus 74 and 59. I know that my tens are 30, 70, and 50. So I'm thinking friends of 100. Oh, I know right away. If I have 30, I'm left with 70. So then I know that's going to make a friend of 100. So already I have 30 plus 70 plus 50 is going to be 150. Then I'm going to add my ones together. So I can already kind of do it quickly in my brain if I decompose, okay? And then we have a fun game for you to play the balloon flight additions, where you have to kind of click the answer fast, and you have to try to add those numbers up quickly in your brain. All right, friends, I'll let you go. See you at 9 a.m. Bye-bye.